Hi guys, this is a method to solve the Rubik cube quite easily. You have just to memorize a few algorithms, and it's not for doing it in seconds, but in a few minutes you'll be able to solve it. You have to start with the bottom layer, then complete the middle layer, and close the cube with the top layer. So start with the bottom layer. Choose a color, usually you pick white, and pay attention to the other colors. So opposite to white you have yellow, and this is important because you will close the cube with the yellow one. Then you have green and blue and red and orange. So start with the first layer. In order to complete the first layer, you have to create a white cross here, and so complete the edges first and then corners. Edges have to be placed in the right position according to the centered color here on the other face. So white and orange goes here, white and red goes here, white and blue goes here, and white and green goes here. So we already have white and green here, just to be turned, and here it is. Then you have white and blue over here, white and blue, and here it goes. So white and blue, and now white and orange. Here it goes, and white and red. So you have white and red, white and green, white and orange, white and blue, and here's the cross. This corner is in an incorrect position, so we have to place it in its right position. And so this is green, red and white. Green, red and white must be placed here. In order to put it here, you can turn the cube here. This has to be, this is blue, white and orange. Blue, white and orange goes here. So if you want to place it here, park, turn, and here it goes. And then two more corners left. So one is here, is blue, red and white. Blue, red and white goes right here. So let's see. No? So the other way. And here it goes. So the last one is has to be placed here. It's very easy because if it doesn't go this way, it's the other way. So park it here, tuck, tuck, and here you have the bottom layer completed. So the bottom layer is consistent because it's completed and the edges match the centered color. See? And you have the yellow on the other side. So now it's important to put the cube in the right position. So first we had the white face upside, now turn it downwards. So it's important to keep the white face downwards, okay? Now we have to complete this second layer. In order to complete this second layer, you have to learn a first algorithm. So look at these edges here. This one, this one, this one, and the other one. So look at edges that do not have the yellow color. So this edge doesn't have a yellow color. So it's blue and orange. So place it in the right position. So blue with the blue, and look at this point. This edge has to be placed here. So imagine to pick this edge and place it here. So I will tell you now the algorithm to move an edge from here to here without messing up the bottom layer. So pay attention, this algorithm is away, up, back, down, back, turn, and back. Okay, now the blue orange has gone here. Okay, again, red and blue. Red and blue has to go here. Okay, red and blue, pick it here and place it here. So away, up, back, down, back, turn, pair, down. Okay, red and blue. And this is almost the same for every edge. So now here we actually do not have any edges that can be placed directly because this one is messed up. It's in this place but it's not in the right position. So move it away from here, and so let's make it the other way. So away, up, back, down, back, turn and pair. And now we should have an edge that can be placed in the right position. So green over here, green and red goes here. So away, up, back, down, back, turn and pair, down. Okay, just the last one is here. So the green that goes here. So away, up, back, down, back, turn, pair, and down. Wow, we've just completed 2 layers with a very simple algorithm. So, algorithm number 3, you have to create a cross here. We already have a cross here, so we have to create a yellow cross on the top layer. But we already have a cross, so let me teach you how to make a cross. So let's suppose that we have just completed the 2 layers here, but we do not have a cross. So we have to create a yellow cross on the top layer. So again, remember to keep the white layer below. So this algorithm is simple. It's very important to keep not to move the cube. So hold it in this upward position. So it's up, turn, right, turn, left, down. Okay. So choose a left side that doesn't have any yellow, and up, turn, left, down. Okay, we still have the 2 layers, and now we have a cross. Okay, so next step is to match these edges. Let's see, we are very lucky again because edges match. But let's suppose, for instance, that edges do not. So let me mess it up. So consider that you are in a situation where you have the yellow cross, but edges here do not match. See, if you have the red one that is placed correctly, but the orange, neither the orange nor the green match. So keep the one that matches, and this is the a very nice algorithm. So it's up, left, down, left, up, left, left, down. Again, up, left, down, left, up, left, left, down. And here it goes. They all match. So now, one of the last steps is to place the corners. So in order to place the corners, you have to choose the one that almost fits. The one that almost fits means that, for instance, this one, see, you have the green here, yellow and red. So it almost fits, but those do not. So the algorithm goes like this. So it's left, up, right, up, left, down, right, down. So this corner is fixed, while the other three turn. So they're not in the right position. So again, left, up, right, up, left, down, right, down. And here we go. We have all the corners that are in the correct position. So red, red, green, green, yellow, top, orange, orange, green, green, yellow, and blue, blue, orange, orange, yellow. And we are quite lucky because we have this corner that is already in the correct position. So now the last algorithm, it's very simple. You have to, again, the trick is to hold the cube and do not mess it up while you move. So place the corner that is in the right position on the upper right, and keep this one here. Hold the white face downwards, and the algorithm goes like this. Okay, so it's 8 move algorithm, 8 moves algorithm. So it's down, left, up, right, down, left, up, right, turn, down, left, up, right, down, left, up, right, turn, down, left, up, right, down, left, up, right. And here it goes. We have just solved the Rubik cube. Hi guys.